The winner is Robert Knudson and Chris Newman for
The Exorcist.
Speaking for Tadeo and all the fellows that worked with me, Bud Grensbach, Bob Glass, Weldon Brown, Pat Sullivan, I'd like to, on behalf of all these people, thank the editors, Warner Brothers Pictures, and most of all, Bill Friedkin, the man who made it all go together. Thank you all very much.
Thanks to Billy for getting us through the movie, to my crew, Pat Sirachi and David Moshlak, and to all the people here and in New York who made this possible. Thank you.